Hey everybody, Joe here, and I'm really excited to show you the new Video Pro stack. Now, you might be wondering, Joe, why do we need another video stack? I mean, I think Weaverspace has like 10 video stacks, right? Now, some of them have like fancy animations, some have content overlays, some do slideshows, right? But Video Pro is the video player if you need a serious video player. If you have visitors coming to your site that are going to watch videos, this is the stack you need. It is a serious video player for serious video usage. And it has a lot of features that you will see nowhere else. So let's dive into Video Pro. And first you'll notice that there are a ton of really great features that aren't available in almost any other video product out there on the market. And if we look at this first demo here of Video Pro, you'll notice that there is, first off, the look and feel of the player. No matter which browser or device you view this player from, it will look identical. This is key for your site looking consistently across all your visitors. And next, as this demo shows, is we actually have device-specific videos. So if your viewer views a video from your iPhone versus their desktop, you can actually serve up a different resolution video so your website can perform as fast as possible on every device. If we go ahead and play this, you'll notice that there is also great markers. So you can use markers to add to your timeline to denote key points of your video. Next is playlist support. So instead of just having a video player that plays one video, what if we were to actually click on this button and you'll notice it will have multiple videos that we can play. All you have to do is click them and you can play all of these videos directly from the Video Pro player. Now, probably the flagship feature here is going to be our CTAs. This is something unique that I haven't seen in any other add-on in the entire market. Now, if we play this video, what we'll notice is that as the video approaches this timeline marker, we will actually have a CTA open up inside the video player. The video pauses, I can then interact with this widget, and you can add whatever stacks content you want inside of this CTA. Let's go ahead and close the CTA, and we'll notice that once this video is over, we actually have another option for CTAs. And this uses our call to action stack. And what you notice is when this video is done, we have a call to action opening up a peekaboo instance on our webpage directly below the video. Now, our call to action has tons of different external triggers that you can actually launch, such as light boxes. Here we had peekaboo. There's really infinite possibilities now with triggering CTAs with your videos. Now, the last demo we have here is a very interesting demo where that we can actually play a video on hover. Now, this is really interesting to give us some really dynamic product pages. Let's say you have a video for every single product. All the user has to do is hover over it, and then the video will dynamically play just by hovering over it. Now, before we go, let's just quickly show you the interface within stacks. And when you add Video Pro to the page, you'll notice that the settings are super easy to do. At the top, we have our poster image. We have a bunch of options for the video settings, some behavior, what controls you want to actually see, okay? We can have options for hiding the play button or adjusting the size of that play button. We have the ability, as you saw, to add as many markers as we want. We can customize the color and the size of those markers that get displayed within the video timeline. And here we can define a comma delimited list of values of where we want those markers to show up in the timeline. As you saw, we had playlist support and extra options for adding extra buttons when we do. We can add transcripts. So this is where we can add in as many captions and subtitles and chapter markers as we want for our videos. You can actually add closed captions for multiple languages as well. As you see in the videos, we can add as many different video sources as we want, and each source tracks not only the URL to that video, but also what actual media query or what breakpoint we want that particular version of that video to actually be displayed at. And lastly, here's an example of our CTAs. When you enable CTAs in the video stack, as you see, you can actually have multiple CTAs and you just drag and drop your stacks that you want inside of the CTAs to actually configure what will be displayed to the users. So there you go. As you see, Video Pro has a lot of pro features, right? For a very serious video player. Those CTAs, wow, chef's kiss on that. I mean, you could do a lot of really amazing things with those CTAs, whether it's a buy now button or extra links or videos, links to product pages that you want people to actually click on, all within your site. You don't need to worry about embedding in YouTube and having YouTube do it all, right? Add your own advertisements, add subscription forms. You can do all kinds of stuff with these CTAs. I can't wait to see what you do with them. And that's not it. We have transcriptions, playlists, total CMS and feed support, so you can dynamically create these videos based on data, right? Man, super excited. I can't wait to see what you build with this stuff. Go ahead and share on the community how you love it, what you're building with it, and I can't wait to see it. Go forth and make your websites great.